This is Decadence 12297. Random
Okay.
hit break. Yeah, do you reckon that's what it is? Or maybe someone just opened his computer.
It could be like the laptop here or something.
Yeah, true. Maybe. Or maybe it's...
Oh, Tay just spying on the boyfriend.
Yeah. What's he done?
Who is she?
It's tomorrow. Here we go.
Sister?
Flames left in slappers. All right. You and I have different opinions on this, don't we?
Well, we agree that you start in the middle.
Start in the middle. Here we go. First one is a 1 of 1. Hideki Matsuyama. Well, that's a nice start. I don't know much about Hideki Matsuyama, but obviously Japanese. Next one is a green Mike Tyson 2 of 4. Well, I mean, I know someone who's going to want that.
It's me. I'll buy it.
And then finally, multi is, I love these cards so much, Deion Sanders to 10, but he's signed it twice.
I don't.
Really?
Just one signature with both photos would work.
Nah, it's silly. I like it.
Dion, that'll fire AMAC up.
Oh, no. Oh, God. Yeah, that's nice cards. 5 times. Here we go. Turns out Dale and I are both wrong. Middle card, probably the best one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is the Tyson. Bottom is Dion and Dion. That's 5 times. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Cody with 1 spot. Picking up the old Hideki. Matt, if you want to move that Tyson onto us, send us a message. Matsuyama is huge in Japan. There you go. Cody, I mean, I'm going to Japan. I can take it across and just offer it to people. Hi, do you want this?
Thank you.
And then,
Talking about the car.
and then eventually,
No, like.
I accidentally hand it to
No.
Hideki. What?
Okay, that's okay.
What do you think I was going to say?
Oh, look.